A special highlight of the S3 is the particular emphasis that was given to the setup of the drive dynamics. To this end, we have various different components on board, such as the new Quattro drivetrain with a multi-plate clutch, the wheel selective torque control thanks to brake activation, plus the optional adaptive damper controls, and as another highlight, the progressive steering that give you an abundance of driving fun. The S3 comes with an optional adaptive damper control. You can set the various modes from comfort to dynamic. If we set them, you get this wonderful sonorous sound here as in this setting. The chassis is now readjusted selectively in compression and rebound stages, depending on drive requirements and drive situation. Another new development for the S3 is the weight-optimized electro-hydraulic multi-plate clutch, which gives you the means to shift torque from front to rear axle, theoretically 100%. We have an adaptive damper control that allows you to set the different drive modes. These settings can be tweaked in very fine time increments in the compression and rebound stages, depending on your need. Another highlight is the progressive steering in the cars. In tight corners, the steering becomes more direct and has a lower gearing ratio, as you can see nicely here. Oh, this is a lovely feature.